Good morning, students. Welcome back to Physical Education Classroom once again. Today, I will start from this portion blood circulation. So, look at your book. Depending upon the course of blood, circulation can be classified into five groups: systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation, coronary circulation, portal circulation, and the cerebral circulation. So, student, you have to just learn the number of types of circulation. There are five types of circulation. These are systematic circulation, pulmonary circulation, coronary circulation, portal circulation, and the last one is cerebral circulation. Systematic circulation. This system is responsible for blood supply all parts of the body except lungs. तो सिस्टमेटिक सर्कुलेशन का मतलब क्या है? पूरा बॉडी में सर्कुलेशन होगा एक्सेप्ट लंग्स. सिर्फ ये चीज को याद रखना है, एक्सेप्ट लंग्स. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम aorta, oxygenated blood from left ventricle. It breaks up into the smaller arteries and finally ends in capillaries. So it starts from aorta, I mean the left ventricle of the heart, and it breaks up into the smaller arteries. Aorta is the largest artery. It then divided into smaller arteries and it ends in capillaries. The capillaries unite to form a venules which join up ultimately to the form two large venous trunk, namely the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. So मतलब ये start होगा aorta से, then aorta divided into smaller arteries and it end into capillaries. Then capillary fuse together to form venules, which normally join together to form the large venous trunk. These are superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Next, pulmonary circulation. It deals with the purification of blood in lungs. So what is the meaning of pulmonary circulation? Here is the blood is purified in the lungs. I mean it is rich with oxygen. Deoxygenated venous blood is pumped by the right ventricle. The pulmonary artery carries this blood to the lungs. So the pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where it is purified oxygenated. मतलब ये deoxygenated blood को रिफाइन करके ऑक्सीजन रिच करता है. Four pulmonary veins carry this purified blood. Number of pulmonary veins, इसको दाग लगाना. 4 pulmonary veins carry this purified blood from lungs to the heart. मतलब ये लंग से लेकर हार्ट तक लेके आता है. These veins open in the left atrium. Next, coronary circulation. This circulation involves blood supply to the heart itself. So what is the meaning of coronary circulation? The circulation involves blood supply to the heart itself. So it is a kind of blood supply inside the heart. मतलब हार्ट के खुद के अंदर जो नॉर्मली इधर उधर ब्लड सप्लाई हो रहा है, दैट इज कोरोनरी सर्कुलेशन. The right and left coronary arteries rises from the ascending aorta. So here is important portion is here. The right and left coronary arteries, which actually arises from the ascending aorta, they supply blood to the heart. The venous blood is collected by the coronary sinus, which open in the right atrium. So तुम लोग को जस्ट याद रखना है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कोरोनरी सर्कुलेशन. कोरोनरी सर्कुलेशन का मतलब क्या है? द सर्कुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड इनसाइड द हार्ट. मतलब ऑट्रियम वेंट्रिकल इस दौरान जो नॉर्मली ब्लड सर्कुलेशन हो रहा है, दैट इज कोरोनरी सर्कुलेशन. नेक्स्ट, पोर्टल सर्कुलेशन. दिस सर्कुलेशन इज रिलेटेड विद द स्टमक, इंटेस्टाइन and the pancreas through liver. Normally, this kind of blood circulation is related to the stomach, intestine, pancreas, and liver. In this circulation, portal vein carries blood to the liver that has circulated in stomach, intestine, and pancreas. So here is a portal vein which carry the blood to the intestine, stomach, pancreas, and liver. पोर्टल वेन डिवाइड्स इनटू कैपिलरीज. तो पोर्टल वेन नॉर्मली डिवाइड होने के बाद कैपिलरी में ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. दिस कैपिलरीज ज्वाइंड विद द कैपिलरीज ऑफ हेपाटिक आर्टरी. नॉर्मली हेपाटिक आर्टरी के साथ ये पोर्टल वेन जो थिन कैपिलरीज में ट्रांसफर हो जाता है ये फ्यूज हो जाता है. द वेनस ब्लड ऑफ लीवर इज कलेक्टेड बाय द हेपेटिक वेन which join with the inferior vena cava. Next, cerebral circulation. It involves the blood supply to the cerebrum. Cerebral arteries supply blood to the cerebrum. So here is the circulation of blood into the head, that is known as cerebral circulation. मतलब cerebrum में normally जो blood supply होता है that is cerebral circulation. Cerebral arteries supply blood to the cerebrum. Cerebral veins carry the venous blood. Arteries normally oxygen rich blood को ट्रांसफर करता है और इस दौरान deoxygenated blood को cerebral vein कैरी करके लेके आता है. Next, sequence of function of the heart. Heart का function. The heart act as a pump. It maintains a constant circulation of blood throughout the body. It is achieved as follows. First, the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava brings venous blood from the various parts of the body to the heart. मतलब शरीर का ऊपर पार्ट से मतलब as because our upper part of our heart normally head from superior vena cava मतलब superior vena cava के द्वारा and the lower part of our body collect the deoxygenated blood through inferior vena cava. The venous blood fills the right atrium. मतलब ये normally deoxygenated blood कहाँ पे भर्ती हो रहा है right atrium में. When it is full, the right atrium contracts, sending blood to the right ventricle. मतलब right atrium जब full हो जाता है, full होने के बाद ये blood को ढकेल रहा है कहाँ पे right ventricle में. Now the right ventricle contracts. Right ventricle खुद को contract करने के बाद this sends blood to the lungs through pulmonary trunk which divides into right and left pulmonary arteries. ये blood राइट वेंट्रिकल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होने के बाद नॉर्मली ये पाल्मोनरी वेन में ट्रांसफर कर रहा है. नॉर्मली पाल्मोनरी वेन लंग्स में ब्लड को लेके जाएगा इसलिए प्यूरिफाई करने के लिए. द ब्लड गेट्स ऑक्सीडेटेड इन दिस लंग्स. द ऑक्सीडेटेड ब्लड इज कैरिड बाय पाल्मोनरी वेन्स टू द लेफ्ट ऑट्रियम. ये ऑक्सीडेटेड होने के बाद नॉर्मली ये पाल्मोनरी वेन के द्वारा लेफ्ट ऑट्रियम में वापस आता है. Now the left atrium contracts and sends blood to the left ventricle. Now the left ventricle contracts and sends blood into the aorta. This blood is circulated throughout the body. So student, these are the process by which normally how does it work. I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.